Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you what's in my Nintendo Switch case. It's a cheap case from Hori. It's not a bad case. I've had it since launch. Well, not launch, I mean since like the day I got my Switch. So, I'm going to go and unzipper it for you guys since it's hard to do so with one hand. And kaboom! So the first thing you probably noticed was my Switch. Of course, you have to have a Switch inside of a Switch case. And then the second thing you notice is this right here. So I have my games here. There's Let's Go Pikachu. And there's two games here. There's Smash. And the other is Mario Odyssey. Mario Maker is in my Switch, as you can, if I can show you. There you go, Mario Maker 2 right there. Let's put that in. Oh, fuck off. Put that in, okay. And then, in this little shelf thing, right here, where this is where a Joy-Con's supposed to go. But it's where I have my RCM loader. Put that back there. You already saw my games here. Right here are my SD card adapter things. The one that has a micro inside of it, that's the one that I currently use for Ubuntu Linux. In this slot, I have an adapter for my Switch. And what it does is that it's USB Type-C. And it converts any USB Type-C into USB, so I can pretty much plug my Switch in, plug this in my Switch like that. It's not getting power now. That little hole right there on the adapter would light up if it was getting power, but the Switch is in sleep mode, so it's not saving power. But if I press the home button, now it receives power. I can plug any wired controller in here and it'll work perfectly fine, just like if you were plugging it in the dock. The other one is, last thing is the same thing as the adapter I just showed you, but it's for micro USB and not USB Type-C. And what I used this for, it was because I had to use, the only way I can hack my Switch from boot on the go was using an app that never ever works for me, and I would have to use this adapter to plug into my phone, and then you would use a normal USB Type-C cable and inject the payload from there. But now, since I have an RCM loader, I don't have to worry about that, and I just have that adapter in there so I don't lose it. So yeah. Anyways, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys hate this video, give it a thumbs down. I'm positive you guys are just gonna thumbs it down anyway. So, have a great day. Love you guys. Peace.